All right, all right. So good morning. Good morning, good morning. Wait. Oh. Oh. So today is my day. Um Day 7 of using this my strategy and my rules. If I lose 3 times, I'm gonna stop. Looks like this one is going to lose. Huh. So I sell here because ADX is go up and this one was broken. This it break. See this. So yeah, I start at 4. Yeah. Oh yeah, because yesterday this is 5,000, right? Because I accidentally touched this earlier AI and then I lose freaking AI. Now day 7, so I'm gonna continue. Looks like it's trying to go up. Oh no, it might break. So yeah, if the signal is correct, go down ADX, and we are in this area here, my 25 EMA, it didn't break the moving average, so I'm expecting this trade is down. All right, and now the break, it break the area here. Oh la la. So looks like this time looks like do I have a time? ADX is going up. All right, lose. It failed this area. It failed to break. Damn. 5 seconds lose. So I'm gonna look for another trade. It is not sideways. Will this be broken? Next candle. It green. Oh, so this one it's trying to break here, and if the signal is correct, ADX is trying to go up, so I'm expecting this trade continue to go down because we are also in the downtrend and down, but it failed to break. All right, it's a win. So the will it continue? So I try again to sell. Because I follow the trend. If it continue to go down, well. But looks like but looks like it's let's see. Oh, it's not continuing. How many? 10 seconds. It didn't go down. Oh, it go down. I need to. But what about my time? Oh yeah, it go down. So see it. So I'm gonna look for another trade. This one is hmm. Oh hmm. Wait, this one. It breaks. Green. If this candle close to outside. Wait. Uh-oh. Looks like I made the mistake here. Yeah, I made a mistake. Made a mistake. My second loose mistake. Mistake. How many? 6. Yeah, because you see here ADX, right, go down, so it go up. Frick, I made a mistake that in that trade. Well, mistake that happened. Let's continue. Uh-oh. What the hell? So I buy here. There is still a space. There is still a room to go up. So, and also I follow the trend. You see here, there is still a room here, this area. So I'm expecting that continue to go up. All right. See, now it's trying to form a base here. Eurocad. Oh, the position is not good. So we are down. But if this area here is break. Yeah, it's a lose. This one is a lose. So it's my third lose. I'm gonna stop for now. Oh. Will you go down? Wait, why did you stop? Wait, what happened? What the frick? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a win. I thought I'm going to lose. So I'm gonna continue because I still have 2 loss. So lucky, last seconds, this area, it break. Well, continue. There is So I try to sell here. Will it gonna break? There is a resistance support here, but it failed. Alright, this is it for now. Maybe later I'm gonna trade if this one is loose. If this loose, oh yeah, it break. Yeah, it break. But I still have 20 seconds. So ADX is forming, go up. Oh, but my time is my problem. So this area is support, resistance, like that. All right, it's a lose freak. Yeah. Uh-huh. I'm gonna stop for now. By the way, I'm just gonna show you my result today. So 16 today. So I lost 3 times. This is the result. 3, 6, 7, 8 wins and 3 loss. So anyway, because I start in 4K, if only I didn't accidentally touch that AI, I lose. It should be 6,000 by now. But anyway, at least I am back at 5K. So I think I'm not gonna trade today again. Maybe tomorrow, day 8. Because I noticed that the market is not good. So tomorrow, day 8.